Electric bike roar to boom shortly. The electric two-wheeler bike segment gets a pug mark with roar entry that will unleash and transform electric mobility with youth-centric dynamics in India. The roaring specs were presented by the CEO of Oben Electric, Madhulita Agarwal, before the roar formal unveiling before the media this afternoon at HSR Layout Company showroom. The bike comes with 9 kW advanced powerful motor and advanced FP battery that comes with an 8 years of warranty ex-showroom. It will be available for sale from June this year in 4 different colors. In order to attract pre-launch sales, the bike can be booked at a meager sum of Rs 777 with an introductory ex-showroom price of Rs 99,999 for initial 10,000 customers. Madhulita Agarwal claimed that in order to strengthen the commitment, the motorcycles demonstrate compact design that delivers performance and practicality in one compelling package designed for riders seeing style in one package. Further, the company claims that the road delivers a top speed of 110 km with a range of 180 km. Initially, these electric bikes will be available in 10 showrooms across Karnataka and in 18 states with 150 network showrooms pan-India with an expansion of 350 outlets by the end of this year. The Oben Electric manufacturing facility in the city to scale its production by about 3 lakh units annually. It may be noted that the Bangalore has emerged as the EV capital of India with over 20% Oben vehicles in Karnataka in the last financial year alone. It may be noted that there are already handful of electric vehicle manufacturers offering EV bikes for the last 3 years in Bangalore. The entry of AI-assisted manufacturing what makes Oben a stiff competitor for the entry of AI-assisted manufacturing what makes Oben a stiff competitor in this segment.
So I think today is really a big day for us because we are launching Roar Evo, our new product, Oben Electric's new Roar Evo in Karnataka, Bangalore where Oben Electric took birth. So we are very, very happy to also share this, that we have been the fastest growing electric EV company in this financial year, and we have been working towards it to become and maintain this speed, and also setting up our distribution and service center, giving consumer the best experience through our product. And this year we see that 30% of our sales will be driven from Karnataka, and we would be closing this year with more than 30 plus stores only in Karnataka. So that is what is our vision for the company, and we are driving the EV transition of India, and Karnataka has been, and Bangalore, where we have started, everything has started for us, has been the biggest market and driving our sales in this journey. So this Oben Roar Evo basically comes with the new look that it has, the projector headlamp, and then we have come up with the top speed is 110 kilometer. The power introduced is 9 kilowatt hour, and we are coming with a 3.4 kilowatt battery, LFP battery, and we are also bringing certain safety features like fall alert. We are also bringing some convenience feature like basically the storage, which is first time introduced, a 10-liter storage for a consumer, and also the seat, the introduced is the longest in the segment, which is very, very convenient for a rider and a pillion rider to ride on the city commute. And we are introducing first time a new mode, which is Smart IQ, which is an AI-enabled mode which enhances the range and increases 15% of the efficiency. And this is what will be all present and at a price, introductory price for the first 10,000 consumers will be 99,999, and the deliveries will start from June onwards. Yeah. Thank you.